Hey y'all, welcome back to Krista's Kitchen. So, I just got this fun new toy in the mail. Sam's Club was running a sale, and they may still even be running it now. However, they did not have it in my local Sam's. So, I ordered it online 3 days ago, and it came in today. We do have a little bit of damage there. However, it looks in pretty good shape. So we're going to open it up and get it all cleaned up so that we can test a new recipe in this tonight. So now that we have it out of the box, it is this beautiful gray color. I do have a lot to learn about this. I do know that compared to my other Ninja, this one does not pressure cook. But the reason I got this is they're advertising for the 15-minute meal functions and all of that. What I think is cool is it has everything already down inside this, so I can store everything that comes with it down in the pan. It does have cup measuring on the side. It says 18 cup max. What I saw on their advertising is these little grippies on the side and the feet that come up with it now, so it doesn't go all the way down in the bottom where your food is. It actually, that foot is loose, but that's okay. It actually rests in a few different levels in the pan. Well, I thought a few different levels, but it looks like just one level. It's got some little push things too where these feet kind of snap in underneath. That's the other level they were talking about. It goes in the bottom of the pan and raises it up an inch or so off the bottom. We're going to open up our phone and scan that and see where it takes us. Cool. So if you scan that, it gives you a getting started, some Speedi meals, how to use the crisper tray, tips and tricks, burrito bowl recipe, Mediterranean bowl, barbecue nuggets with broccoli, mac and cheese. So those must be like their top 3 that they're kind of trying to advertise for, because I've seen the burrito bowl on their advertising also. My main reason for getting this is I want to do the Speedi meals. I saw this really cool thing. Oh, that's cool. It's taking you to YouTube to watch a video about it. But I saw this really cool thing where you can scan and go in and build your meals. So that's what I'm going to do today. So we're going to get this all washed up and ready for our use. Okay, so we're all washed and set up. I have a little over a pound chicken breast that I want to use for dinner tonight. So I am going to use the Ninja Speedi Recipe Builder, and we're going to see what we can come up with. So the first part, it's called Pick Your Base. So we have some rice, some lentils, some pasta with sauces. I'm going to start with the white rice. And then you pick your protein. So I know I'm going to do chicken. But the cool thing about this is they have cod, salmon, shrimp, breaded fillets. So like the frozen things you find at the grocery store. Fish sticks, sausage, pork chops, chicken thighs, chicken sausage, skin on thighs. And now we're picking our seasonings. It says choose up to 2. So I want to find some stuff that I have. I have ranch, but I don't really want to do ranch flavoring. Grits. So grits to me would be a base, not a seasoning. So pick your vegetables, fresh or frozen. Choose up to 3. So we have sweet potatoes. We have some bell pepper. I don't really want to do bell pepper. That's more, I mean, I use it a lot, but I don't want to do it for tonight. Onions. Ooh, we have some Brussels sprouts. We have asparagus. We have some carrots right now. cauliflower, zucchini. I need to use up my tomatoes. Oh, and it shows fresh only for that. Corn, garbanzo beans, mixed vegetables, peas, mushrooms, spinach. Ooh. Oh, I've already selected 3. Let's see. We gotta get rid of something. Brussels sprouts. We'll save that. I have some spinach I need to use up, so I'm gonna select the spinach. It says pick your toppings. Fresh herbs, fresh greens, salsa, sour cream, guacamole. We have some avocados, but this doesn't really scream something to use avocados with. Toasted cheese. Look, it looks like it's selecting some options for you, like hints or suggestions, I guess. And let's generate my recipe. All right, come on. Well, did I need to? Oh, there we go. I guess I needed to click the cheese and say that yes, I like that suggestion. So we've got the rice, chicken, Italian seasoning, some citrus, asparagus, cherry tomatoes, spinach, cheese. Alright, so let's do this and see how it turns out. Okay, so we have all of our ingredients lined up. Our seasoning, our chicken, some tomatoes, some asparagus, some lemon, our water, and our rice. So we're going to start to build this. I did decide to leave out the spinach because I had about a pound of asparagus, probably down to about 3/4 of a pound, about 12 ounces after we cut the woodsy ends off. But we are going to build our recipe. So we're supposed to start with 1 cup of rice down in the bottom of our machine. It doesn't say to spray or do anything like that. I'm going to add 2 cups of water, and we're adding in 2 bouillon cubes. Next up, we're adding in, they say 8 ounces of asparagus, but I'm using probably closer to 12 ounces. Our 1 cup of tomatoes. Now we're going to put in our little crisping tray. We're going to season our chicken with the Italian seasoning. This is 1 large chicken breast that I just cut in half so that it will cook more evenly and hopefully in the time. So we're just going to lay our chicken breast right across. The drippings from the chicken will go down into our rice and our veggies. A little more Italian seasoning. And then we'll squeeze over our lemon and pick out those seeds. Alright, and it says we close the lid and turn it on. It's set in the up position to rapid cook. It's already set at Speedy Meals and 390, so we just need to push start. We do need to change the time to 15 minutes and then push start. Alright, it looks like it's getting started. I don't hear anything yet, but we'll keep an eye out. Okay, so it just shut off. It did take 6 minutes to preheat and really get going. It looks like we might have needed less time on the chicken, but I do have some mozzarella pieces. I'm going to put those on, close the lid, and just let the heat kind of do its thing for the cheese. And then we'll come back and check the rice and the veggies. So I'm going to go ahead and remove our tray and set it over here to the side. Okay, so I just mixed it all together. I'm going to go ahead and plate some of this up. Okay, so now we're just going to taste test and see how it turned out. So the asparagus is definitely tender. And it's got good flavor, nice and bright, light. The rice is all the way cooked also, with us just going for 15 minutes. Our chicken is cooked all the way through as well. So a little dry and could use some salt, but overall not bad starting point for sure. I think next time I'd go closer to the 10-minute mark for this size of chicken. What I will say is this is fantastic for the fact that it took 20 minutes between prep, cook, and resting. That's with the machine heating up and everything. So I think this is a win. We're going to try another one tomorrow and see what we get.